Hello friends, welcome to Bicaps once again. And did you just see that how right in my Google Sheet I'm able to translate a sentence from English to Hindi? And it's not just from English to Hindi, you can convert it from any language to any language that is currently supported by Google. So from any language you can convert it to any language. So since our sentence is in English, I write it in English, and now it can be converted in Hindi, can be converted in Japanese and in any other language. Now you would say that yes, we are doing that in Google Translate already. Yes, you can do that in Google Translate as well, but what about doing it right here in your Google Sheets? And being professionals, you can obviously find out a proper use of it. Now let me quickly teach you how to do that, and it's very simple. It's a function called Google Translate. It has got 3 parameters. The first parameter is the text itself that you want to convert, comma, the second parameter is the source language. Now the language in which this particular sentence is written, and third is the target language, the language in which you want to convert it to. So for the text it's very easy, but for the languages, source language and target language, you do not have to write the complete language name, you have to write the 2-letter code. So as you can see, ES and EN. So ES here means Espanol, that means Spanish, and EN means English. Now where do you get these codes? So I got them on this website called labnol.org. It was there as a table, and I used the import HTML function and fetched that particular table over here. So what's the benefit of using import HTML? It's very simple, that whenever new languages are supported and this gets updated or some language code is changed on the website, my table gets automatically populated. Now if I would have done a copy paste from there, then it was a static table, it would not get updated when the website gets updated. So this is not an import HTML session. Import HTML has been explained by me in the earlier video. You can go and watch that video on my channel. But now what I did is I used a VLOOKUP function. So I gave an easy user interface, right? So you can select a language from here. You know how to do that, how to build this drop down menu by using the data validation tool. So I used a data validation list from a range, and I picked up from sheet 2 the list of languages. Now as the user select the language, the VLOOKUP function works from here and picks up the 2-letter code from this particular table and puts in the function, and this is how my function works. And also I have put the if error. So if there is an error, right, like if there is a no sentence written over here, so in that case it will display a blank, otherwise it will display that NA error. So let's check it out. If I do not use if error, it will show me an error, a value error. So to avoid that, to give a beautiful user interface, we used if error as well. So I hope you liked this session. This was a very small and a very quick lesson for you, and I hope you will find utility for that in your professional work. Thank you very much.